these push pins off, just use a straight blade screwdriver or some type of trim tool. You can pop the center out. And just move the carpet out of the way. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. And slide it off. There's a little rubber grommet right there. You can just push that in. Just get that loosened up for when we take the light out. That's good. And take this clip off. And then over here there's another clip. Take this one off as well. You can just use a trim tool. We're going to use an 8mm socket. Take the two nuts off. And grab the light assembly and just slide it out. Take the new light assembly. These bulbs are test bulbs, so you want to replace those. You just grab the socket, twist it, and then slide the bulb out. This is a 921 bulb. Slide it back in. Slide the socket back in place. And rotate it. Take this socket, slide it to the left, just pull the bulb. This is a 3157 bulb. Then line it up with the socket, lock it in, and then just twist it back in. This socket, twist to the left. And this is a 194 bulb. Just grab it, pull it out. Put a new bulb in, slide it back in place, and then twist this socket, slide it out. This is a 3156. Line it up, and twist it back in place. Now slide the wiring harness in, and then the rubber grommet, you want to slide that in place. And just push it in so it seals properly. That's good. And line the pins up. Put the nuts on. And just snug those down. Take this clip, slide it on, and lock it in place. And lock this one. Slide the carpet back in position. Slide the push pin in place, lock it down, do the same with the bottom one. It's all done.